All systems go, Michael.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
Connecting to OnStar.
SimCar performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SimCar off-road and extreme weather sequence.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SimCar for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
Can you put our hands up in this?
Commencing responsiveness test.
Responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
You ready?
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Look how the tire bit.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
That's worth it.
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing.